Chime is popular because it's simple and mobile first, but it doesn't offer the same full-service banking tools, in-person support, or advanced savings options you get from more established banks. By the end of this, you'll know 7 banks that people switch to when they outgrow Chime, and what each one is actually better at in real use. First is Ally Bank. Ally Bank is known for offering a more complete online banking setup, especially for people who want strong savings tools and a full digital dashboard. It works well if you want a Chime-style experience, but with more long-term banking features. Second is Capital 1360. Capital 1360 gives you a hybrid setup where you get strong online banking plus access to physical branches and cafes in some locations. That matters if you ever need in-person help instead of relying only on an app. Third is Discover Bank. Discover Bank is often chosen by people who want simple checking and savings with a more traditional banking structure behind it. It's a step up if you want fewer app limitations and more standard banking protections and services. Fourth is Sophie. Sophie combines banking with investing and lending tools in one app. It's built for people who want to manage money, save and invest without switching between multiple platforms. Fifth is Axos Bank. Axos Bank focuses on online checking accounts with fewer fees and more flexible account types than most basic mobile banking apps. It's a good fit if you want a more traditional bank structure, but still prefer everything digital. Sixth is Charles Schwab Bank. Charles Schwab Bank is especially strong for people who travel or need global ATM access without worrying about extra charges. It's often used by people who combine banking and investing in one ecosystem. Seventh is Current. Current is closer to Chime in style but adds budgeting tools and features designed for spending control and tracking. It's a simple upgrade if you like Chime but want more financial visibility. To wrap this up, the main difference between Chime and these banks is depth, flexibility, and extra financial tools beyond basic spending. If you're staying with Chime, you're choosing simplicity. If you switch, you're usually trading up for more features and control. Pick one bank based on whether you want simplicity, investing tools, or in-person access. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of money tools that actually make sense.